Hello students, this is PDG ma'am and I'm here to wish you the best for your board's result. I'm talking about my CBSE students. I know you people are maybe a bit worried, a bit tensed, how you will be evaluated, how you have been evaluated and things like that. So here's wishing you all the very best from my side, and I'm sure you all will do very good, and you will not be disappointed. But there is a piece of advice, as I always keep on giving you advice, you know that. So there's a bit of advice for you. I hope that will be helpful. See, it's life, right? Things don't always work the way we want it to work, or planning doesn't always work. You have learned it in your BST also, that planning doesn't guarantee success, but that doesn't mean we will not plan. So there can be a situation where you will feel that you deserved a little more. Maybe whatever you're getting, somewhere here you will feel that no, I deserved maybe 2 marks more, 3 marks more, 4 marks more. Why did I get a 90? I should have got a 96. I should have got a 99. If you're getting a 99, you might feel, why not 100? So there can be some questions, some doubts in your mind, which might bother you, which might make you sad. But what I will say is, at the end of the day, dear students, these are just numbers. I'm not saying these are not important. These are definitely important. Class 12 result does matter, but it doesn't end there. It's a new phase. You will be entering a new phase totally, which is quite different from what you have been doing till now. Your school life ends here. So it's a bigger world now. So even if you don't get the result that you felt you deserved, I'm keeping my fingers crossed because I really want you to be happy with your results. But if you're not, then don't get disappointed. It's life. Just go ahead with it. Embrace it. Go ahead with it. And trust me, I have never judged you with what marks you have got. If you know me, if you have been my student, by now you know how I used to judge you. It's through your behavior, through your effort, So we know if you're good, we know that. So don't worry. Everything will be fine. All the best. Don't let people bring you down. Just understand one thing, there will be comparisons, there will be a lot of comments, there will be a lot of things said to you once your results are out. If you get very good marks, then also you will get to hear certain things. क्या एग्जाम भी नहीं दिया और इतना अच्छा मार्क्स आ गए, मज़ा है ना, मस्ती है, something like this. And if you don't score well, then also you will hear. So both ways, there can be situations where you will have to listen to things from people. But don't bother. Just don't let these things affect you or affect your peace of mind. And don't compare yourselves with others. Comparisons will never help you. I'm sure you all will do great. I'm sure you all will be very, very happy with your results. If you're not, talk to your friends, talk to your family members, talk to your teachers. I'm sure we all will understand what you want to say. And if you're very happy with your results, then also please share your happiness. Spread it. Share your happiness with us, the teachers. We will really want to see your smiling faces. Okay, so all the best for your examination. Exams are over. The result part. I'm talking about CBSE result. I'm sure you all will do very, very good. My best wishes to all of you. Keep smiling. Stay blessed.